Hi guys, welcome back to art class. So today we're going to be drawing a picture of a parrot. And I chose a parrot for this project because parrots are super colorful. And one of the elements of art that we talk about is color. And I thought it would be nice to do another draw along with you. I do want to show you just a couple little pictures of some parrots. So these are just some books that I checked out from the library, but this book is called Alex the Parrot. I'm not going to read the book to you because it's actually very long. So I'll show you just like how long it is. There's like lots of words and stuff. If we had more time, I would read it. But basically, parrots are really super colorful birds. I know this one isn't, but in general they are. Parrots are also the kind of birds that repeat, so they actually talk. Here's another one. This one's very artistic looking. So you can see the artist, the illustrator, used lots of colors on this one. So I thought it would be cool for us to draw our own parrot together. Okay, so go ahead and grab just a blank piece of paper and a pencil to start, and then crayons or markers. I use crayons and markers. I use both for this. Okay, so you're going to place your paper on your table or your desk facing up and down, so vertically, and then we'll get started. Okay, so the first thing that you guys are going to draw with your parrot is going to be, and you want to try and take up most of the paper with this because remember, your parrot is going to be your focal point. Your focal point is the thing that you are focusing on, the thing that you are drawing the most of. So the first thing that you guys are going to draw is going to be basically a big C shape, but it's going to be kind of a weird C. It's going to kind of go up all the way. So you're just going to leave it open right there. Okay. Then you guys are going to draw a little kind of indent in there, kind of like a little sideways V. Kind of looks like Pac-Man. Okay, and then you're going to draw a curve here. This is his nose. And then another curve up. It's the beak, I should say. Not really nose, beak. And then the bottom part of the beak is going to connect down. Just one line. Okay, so you guys can see how this is like the bottom part of the beak, top part of the beak. Okay, next step. Right next to this little line here, you're going to draw just kind of like a little curve there. Okay, that's the bottom part of the eye. After that, your eye is going to be a big circle. And then inside the eye is going to be a couple little like shapes. I did a circle and then I did kind of like a little oval. And then the big part of the circle is going to be shaded in, and you're going to leave the little circle and the oval open. So you're going to leave them white. And I'm just shading this in with pencil right now just to show you what it would look like, but I will probably use a black marker to outline. Okay, once you have that, you're then going to add your feather, which is the wing on the side. This is going to be kind of like pointy at the bottom, and then it's going to come back up and connect. Okay. Inside of that is going to be some shapes, maybe just like that, and then I think I'm going to just draw these ones going up, and then connect those ones going up as well. Okay, so we have all of our feathers showing on the wing. Okay, after that, you're going to draw the other wing, which is going to just be kind of like a little curve on the side of the bird, just like that. And then you can always add like part of those shapes in there, kind of just to show that that one has the feathers as well. Okay. After that, you guys are going to draw the tail of the parrot. And draw those lines going up, again, showing some sections of feathers. And then their little feet. Okay. All right, and so that's the basic drawing of your parrot. Now, here's the fun part. The fun part is you can make your parrot in any background that you want. I chose to do my parrot somewhere in some type of tree that there's kind of some like leaves around, and you don't see the whole tree, you only see part of it, kind of like around it, and he's like sitting or standing on a branch. There's some flowers over there. I wanted mine to be pretty colorful. So that's why I added those flowers up there as well. Okay, so the next thing that you guys would do after drawing your parrot is you would outline your parrot if you choose to. You don't have to do that step. But as always, just taking a black marker or crayon or something dark and tracing over your lines. Okay, so then I would continue outlining and so on. I'm not going to do the entire thing, but basically that's what I would continue doing. Once you would be done outlining, then you would take your colors and you would start coloring it. Now, again, I want you guys to choose some very colorful colors to color in your parrots. They could be any colors you want. Birds usually can be any colors. And also for mine, I used crayons and markers. So what I did was I actually took the colors that I wanted to use in marker and I kind of outlined again around the black that I had already outlined, and then I colored it in with the crayons. I did his belly red, and then the body I did purple and pink, and I just kind of like alternated those colors. Background, I did a very light blue in the sky, and then I did the green marker and then the green crayon around it. You don't have to copy mine. I'd love for you guys to be creative and do your own thing. You can also, again, like I said, you can do your own background however you choose to do it. Okay, so I would love to see these if you wanted to post them to Seesaw. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!